What a ridiculous day. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. A quick little market update. I'm here in California. I've been traveling just all morning, and to see how things played out, TQQQ was up 4% by the time the market opened. It sold off from highs of $29 a share. It was actually even higher during the pre-market session. Hit highs of $29.14. Sold off to lows of $24.93. And we talked about this. We literally just wrapped up our live trading session with my Learn Plan Profit group. We talked about this, that how ridiculous would it be? The amount of emotions that were destroyed today when the market sold off, the people cutting losses, the selling pressure, the fear that was injected into the market for no reason, right? The S&P 500 is down 20%, entering recession levels. Yes, causing more selling pressure. Elon Musk, with the idea of the skeletons being brought out of the closet of something that happened back in 2018 of these like sex allegations towards him, to now be coming out shortly after the S&P 500. Seems like now he's just being targeted. Tesla tanking, right? Everything sold off. But how did it end? Well, if you look, TQQQ ended down less than 1%, and altogether, even including aftermarket hours, it's down about 1%. So if TQQQ is down 1%, that means the NASDAQ markets was only down about 0.3%. Think about that. The NASDAQ market was down over 8%, 9% on the day for TQQQ, right? And then we saw a full recovery when? Literally power hour. We were at almost previous lows of 25.30, and look at that recovery. Check this out. This was during the live trading session. We saw the amazing recovery of over 7% in just a couple of minutes, or really 1 hour. There's still a lot of fear. This is, and this recovery is not to get you excited. The NASDAQ market, if you guys check this out on the 1 hour time frame, it's still very bearish, still getting rejected by the moving average. We had a lot of our Learn Plan Profit members that were asking, hey, is this now a good time to enter a swing trade? Big difference, right? Overall, NASDAQ market is still bearish. We're still trading below the moving average, and this is very clear to see that until it really begins to trade above $35 a share, and you can see this on the day chart, it really wouldn't make sense to step on the gas for a TQQQ recovery. But with that being said, there are amazing deals. Tesla making new lows on the day, losing 6.4% on the day, hitting lows of 633. Check this out. During the pre-market session, I don't know if you're aware of this, it was up at 731 a share. Where did it hit lows of? 633. It lost $100 a share in just a couple of hours of trading. Insane, right? I decided to reduce my position size a little bit in Tesla just to be safe. I've been a big believer that I still think Tesla, Amazon, all of these tech companies, really majority of the market, is very cheap and very good deals as of right now. But I want to make sure that I keep a well-balanced position size. And I think a lot of you guys would agree with that. That I want to have enough money to take them seriously, but not so much that if it does continue to sell off as it's been doing for the past 5 months, that I become irrational, right? And that's the last thing that you want. You want to have enough money that even if it does sell off, it doesn't bother you. And I think that's just the mindset that I want to have moving forward for my investment plays. It's still super early. They still have great ROI potential, so why rush into it? Let's not overcomplicate our trading or our investing. Let's be selective. Cherry pick the stocks that you actually want to take action on. We've talked about how you guys can use that risk to reward calculator. I shared it for you guys for free via Discord. If you guys are part of our Discord chat, I shared it for you guys, and you guys can download it for free, the risk to reward calculator, to plan out your entire trade. So make sure that during the worst time of the market, now is the time to prepare. Things can get worse, but that's the mistake that a lot of people make, is that they choose to prepare for the market recovery when the market is already recovering. That's kind of like backwards, right? You're just trying to play catch up at that point. As of right now, it would make more sense to plan now in preparation instead of getting surprised later. So I'm very excited to follow up. Can the NASDAQ market and the overall market still continue to sell off on Monday? Yes, and there's some indicators that are indicating that the sell-off that we saw today can be even worse on Monday. This is why I decided to just lightly reduce my position size on my long-term plays, right? I'm excited to follow up. If you guys want to join us for Monday's live trading session, literally all you have to do is click the second link down below. There's a $100 off coupon, and you can join our Learn Plan Prof group and watch me trade live every single day. If you want to learn a little bit more about it and what's included, click that second link down below. I appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Hope that you guys have an amazing weekend. And don't forget, we have our biggest sale at shoptechbuds.com. It's one of our most popular sales. So if you have a trading office or a trading station, we're giving away a free flag, a free trading flag with every order. And all you have to do is add it to your cart. So you can buy an aluminum art, you can buy a mouse pad, you can buy whatever it is that you want. Just make sure that you add your favorite flag to your order, and you'll get that flag for free. So again, that's all available at shoptechbuds.com or that fourth link down below. I appreciate you guys' time. Please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.